So you have read the story with me. I know you all are good children. You pointed each and every word with your pointer finger. Now I am going to ask you few questions from the story. Let's see what all you have understood. Let's answer questions about the story. What is the boy's name? You have read it. We have read it together. So what is the boy's name? The boy's name is Abhi. Right. Let us move to the next page. What is the bear doing? Bear is standing on his paws. I hope you all are able to answer me because we have seen the video earlier, isn't it? And not only that, we have read the story together. So, all try to answer me, please. Would you like to have paws instead of hands? No, hands are better, na? We can make something, we can color, we can write, we can hold something. We don't know how we can do all these things with paws, isn't it? Let's move on to the next page. Where is Abhi taking the bear? Do you remember what we have seen in this story? Yes, the boy is taking the bear up so that the bear can meet his other friends also. What are the names of Abhi's friends? Do you remember the names? He is Abhi, the name of the boy, and he is a bear. What is this animal's name? It is Mo. And the squirrel is Peanut. And this alligator is Al. Oh, good to see that you all remember. Now, next one I am not going to answer. You answer me. What does Peanut have in his cheeks? Can you see these cheeks? What do you think? What are they full of? They are full of nuts. Let's move on to the next page. Look at the image. Remember, what the peanut offering the bear? Remember. Try to remember what you have read, what you have seen in this video. What you have read and what you have seen in this video? Yes, the peanut is offering a bag full of nuts to the bear, right? What is the name of this alligator? Do you remember the name? Its name is Al. Very good. Why the bear is scared? Whom the bear is scared about? Yes, he is scared of this alligator. Can you see its sharp teeth? Maybe because of the teeth, the bear is scared. Do you think the bear is still scared of the alligator? No. They are standing next to each other. They are shaking hands also. So the bear is no more frightened about this alligator. Now tell me, what Abhi is doing with all his friends? Together they are? Yes, answer please. Together they are playing. Very good. What are they doing? Yes, you are right. They are dancing. And along with that, you can see these notes. So they are playing the musical instruments also. See this guitar, see this flute. Mo is playing drum. Let's move to the next picture. What are the friends doing now? You can easily answer. And may I hear your answer? The answer is they are eating? Yes, vadas. Do you think Abhi is still hungry? No, because his stomach is full of vadas. Do you think Abhi and his friends are tired? Do you think so? Look at everyone. What the story told you about? Yes, they are all tired. See, look at their faces, they are yawning. Their eyes are almost closed. Isn't it? Who do you think is looking at Abhi? Who is she? You have read it in the story. You have seen in the video. Who is she? She is Abhi's mom. Very good. Abhi is holding his friends close to his under the neck. Which part of the body is this? This is his chest. So, Abhi is holding all his toys next to his chest. Let's move on to the next page. How did Abhi get into bed? What do you think so? He went on his own or his mother helped him? His mother actually took Abhi to bed because Abhi was asleep when he was on the floor, right? Why are Abhi's friends sleeping next to him? Because mom knows Abhi is fond of all his friends. So that's why she made all Abhi's friends sleep next to Abhi. So, have you all answered my questions? And you all have remembered what you have seen, what you have read? I hope you all did so. So what all we have done today? We have read a story and the name of the story is Meet My Friends. We all are keen to meet as I have told you earlier, but maybe we need to be little more patient. After a few months maybe we will be able to meet our friends and we will be very happy that time. Okay, other than learning today's story, we have read the story, right? We have seen the video and you have tried your best to answer all the questions. I'm very hopeful about this, right? So, in that case, I would like to request you, flip the pages of that colorful book, Meet My Friends. I'm sure that you will enjoy. Read it for your parents. Ask your parents questions. They will also enjoy. Okay? Celebrate learning. Bye-bye.